This is the Aero carpet I was talking about the other day from Mohawk. It's the pretty awesome stuff. It has the pre-attached pad on it. It's almost 10-pound pre-attached pad. Requires no power stretcher, no knee kicker, no seaming iron. Requires none of that. They have two options of putting it down. They offer a double stick tape as well as a glue that you roll around the edges, as well as you can use for your seaming. This carpet's awesome. I mean, it really is. I don't get too geeked up about carpet, but with everything that this thing offers, it's pretty freaking amazing. It's awesome. I mean, you put this in the basement, and let's say the basement floods, you just pull the carpet up, dry it out, you put the same carpet back in because it does not take on germs and things like that. It's really a no-brainer when looking at carpet. I think it's, for what it is, it's priced very, very well. And there's many different styles and stuff that's out there. They will constantly be bringing more out, I'm sure, because that's what Mohawk likes to do. Yeah, I mean, I like the carpet a lot. We've done a couple projects with it now, and looking forward to do even more. My installers love working with it. It's very soft. The pad on the back is very soft, doesn't scratch up your walls and baseboard like conventional carpets do. So you really need to check this out. 1293 Edwin Miller Boulevard, Martinsburg, West Virginia. Jordan's Flooring. Check us out on the web, jordansflooring.com, as well as follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Open today from 10 to 2. You ought to stop in and check this stuff out.